Good morning, guys. Day 4 in Barcelona. At 10 or in like 45 minutes, we leave for this place called Salou.
Go, you gotta go.
Go!
Go!
Oh
go,
my!
Go!
Oh!
Go! You lose.
Oh! Keep going! Dude! Oh! Ooh! No way. Heavyweights. Heavyweight champions. Oh my. Look at his neck. Look at his neck. Hotel is kind of nice. Dude, I know, pool and everything. Inside looks pretty nice. We got a nice tour guide. Yeah. Oh my. No comment. Bruh, okay, that's too much. What do you think about a tour guide?
Yeah, I had her last year. I have to give her a hug, bro.
Oh! Damn.
She wears the red bikini.
This is what we like to see.
Let's feel the water.
Is the water nice?
Yes, the water is nice.
Oi. Dude! That balcony view? Dude, you can see everything. Holy. It's awesome. I love it so much. I kind of wish I could live here, but the hotels are the hotels. Living in certain places in Spain, I don't know if I would do. Plus, it's burning hot. Oh, you can eat buffet? Dude, holy. There's so much food. Dude, we're headed to the beach.
To the beach. To the beach.
The generic Carlos. So the beach was pretty successful. Honestly, it was super sandy and salty, and now my face is all like, I don't even know, it's all salty and it feels weird and it hurts kind of, but it's all right. Alright, so guys, it's morning, 9:30, day 5, we're in Salou. We're going to an amusement park. We're really at the amusement park now.
We at the park.
Yep, there's the Ferrari ride. Dude, it's so hot. Why? We're literally about to get, okay, why is everyone flexing in front of the camera? Cool, Amadeus.
You flex. You flex.
No, nope.
Show off your giant muscles.
Nope, I got nothing to flex. Alright, we're about to get on the ride.
My right arm
Push
is
the
more
GoPro. The thing went so fast. That's actually crazy. When you look down and you can't see anything.
Oh, thank God.
Dude,
My face, I literally froze.
I was literally like,
That was a lot scarier than I thought.
oh yeah, I do.
I thought it was gonna pass
I know. For all the rush of the air,
Let's go.
Dude, that was sick. Alright, so guys, we're in this like random jungle thing. I don't know, we're trying to find our way through and get to some rides. Pretty tired, but let's keep going. Yeah, what the heck is this? This place, I got it. Ooh, that good. This place is low. Dude, this place is whack. I don't even know where we are. Some type of like Toyland where, I don't know, there's just a bunch of little kids and stuff. Alright boys, we're really gonna go on this other ride now.
Yo,
you ready?
Amadeus, Daddy, you want to be in mine, bro?
Okay, that's really...
I thought shit myself.
What's up, boys?
I put the GoPro in my pocket and I said, let's go.
Dude, yeah.
Dude, on God, that ride is better than the Ferrari ride.
Really?
Yeah.
You really think so?
Yeah.
I don't.
Because there's only one drop on the Ferrari ride, and you're going so fast. There's no like stall.
And on this, I've done drops. They're kind of boring to me, but. Dude, that is gonna be fun.
I crouched you down.
Joe, what are you doing? Joe, ruining the experience.
Oh no, yo! That is a lot of water.
So, subscribe to Rules on YouTube. Look at this cutie right here. Call us Barlos. I see you. What's going on, boys?
Oh my god.
I was gonna be like, what should I drop?
No. Jeez. Oh yeah. I love that ride. Dude, there's no line. Dude, I don't know. I might go. I don't want to drop it. That's a yeah. That thing goes like 4.
Wait till you go in the front. You do not even understand how fast you're going until you're in the front. That's so
Really?
fast.
Really?
It's so fast.
Round 3, there was no line again.
I'm GoProing this. I'm GoProing it.
Yeah, I can't believe you're doing that. That's whack.